Continuing with some other key points, if just 1/4 of the food that is currently wasted globally was saved, it could help feed 870 million hungry people across the world. Not only will be able to feed millions of hungry people, you will also um, lessen the amount of greenhouse gas emissions um, that are produced from food waste, and also you will save trillions of dollars by not wasting food and allowing people to eat it. Also, research has shown that young adults aged 18 to 24 um, waste more food than any other age group. Many researchers believe this is due to young people not truly understanding the consequences of food waste. And interestingly enough, the older adult population tend to waste the least amount of food, and that is most likely due to them understanding the effects of food waste. And lastly, if you look at the graph on the top right, you see that food waste is most prominent in more affluent countries. As you see, the U.S. and China are in the top three, and many other countries that are um, prominent are also in the top 10.